Hello children, welcome back to that is your channel Physics by Imagination. In this channel today we are going to explain about sources of energy. It means there are some sources which produces energy are called sources of energy. Dear children, you see the board carefully. That is the sources of energy which broadly classified into two types. First one is renewable sources of energy. Second one is non-renewable sources of energy. Renewable means the sources of energy which can use for long time are called renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable means the sources which cannot use for long time. One day it is going to be depleted. That is called non-renewable. Renewable example solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, etc. etc. Non-renewable means petrol, coal, fossil fuels. So now here conventional, non-conventional. Conventional means what? The sources of energy which can easy to use. So the sources of energy which have been using since long time and it is going to be depleted one day are called conventional. As a name itself in that very easy to use, convenient to use. So that is conventional sources of energy. Petrol, diesel will come. Non-conventional energy. See what is bad luck here. Non-conventional means the sources are belongs to renewable sources. I think what is my point here? These are going to have enormous in the sources to produce enormous amount of energy. But we are using in limited way. Such energies like recently we started to use wind energy, bioenergy, hydroelectric power. This is all about renewable, non-renewable, conventional, non-conventional. Before this, good sources of energy. So the sources should not have some properties and should have some properties. Means easy to use, easy to transport. It should be economical. It should not produce more smoke. Okay, it should be eco-friendly to the nature and it should be easily available. Last but not least, that is CFV, calorific value. Children, calorific value means what? The amount of heat present in the substance, that is called calorific value. If I take stone and metal, if I supply the heat, metal will be heated more because it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So then stone is having less calorific value, metal is having more calorific value. It should produce more amount of heat. So next, coming to the point, thermal power plant. This we can understand with simple activity. So in the pressure cooker, remove the vessel, connect it to pipe to some turbines, that again to dynamo construction. So supply the heat, water will be boiled, convert into steam, along the steam pressure is coming to turbines will start to rotate. Again connected to dynamo, that converts, when turbines are going to be rotated, that is going to experience a mechanical force. That mechanical force connected to dynamo, that converts mechanical into electrical. Same thing we can see here in the thermal power plant. Dear children, water will be stored in the big boilers, will be supplied the heat, converts mechanical energy into, that is mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so that is pressure energy into mechanical energy, because this pressure will make the turbines to rotate. So pressure energy into mechanical energy, mechanical into electrical energy. So it has some disadvantages. Expensive process. You may focus on disadvantages, and there are some chances burst cylinder, I mean boiler. So next come to the point, hydroelectric power. The children, very simple. We are producing in our Ballari at TB dam. Okay, that is in aspect. So now water will be stored in the dams. When the gate opens, water falls down. Then that is going to experience what, children? Potential energy. After falling down, they are going to move. Again the water will experience kinetic energy. Again this is going to connect with turbines. The way of where water is flowing, there we are going to be connected the turbines. Turbines will start to rotate. Then that will experience mechanical energy. Again same story, connected to generator, that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is the energy transformation will take place in the hydroelectric power. He may ask you write that is options he'll give in the MCQs. Energy transformation about some sources of energy. So it has some disadvantages. Expensive process, needs more amount of space. Okay, and it is not easy process. We should construct the dams. Next, after this, we'll come to the point of biogas. The children, biogas means what? The gas which obtained from the waste things, cow dungs, organic matter, waste materials, all these things. That is called biogas. So the major, let us understand about biogas plant. So this is digester. This is fertilizer slurry. We'll take all the waste things, we'll dump inside, that is a box that is contained soil. And after putting all the waste things here, we will close the plates. They go under chemical decomposition, decay process. After a few days, after chemical decomposition, it is going to produce that is stinking smell gases. That is carbon dioxide and methane and hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so these gases are going to be produced. Here, major component is methane. It is a natural gas. Okay, so this gas we are using for various purposes. Means in the biogas plant, what happens here? We are going to put slurry inside. That is called slurry man. What is slurry means? A mixture of waste things plus water and soil. That is called slurry. So now here it is going to produce three gases. That is nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. All these gases, here carbon dioxide will be emitted to the nature. Now what is my point here? Methane is a natural source. I told you we are going to use for various purpose. Now here fertilizer. So I can tell that a better word, this biogas plant is a boon to the farmer. Why? Because it has so many disadvantages. It is good for environment. It produces fuel. Okay, even the residue what remained here, that is acting like a manure because which is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Okay, so that this is all about biogas plant. Remember, they may ask you the way of arranging the gases. First one is methane, second one is hydrogen, third one is hydrogen sulfide, next one is carbon dioxide. Okay, so in this way you will ask. Next one, this we finished wind energy. You know that children, windmills will be there. So windmills means what is going to happen, children? Very simple. When wind will flow, turbines will rotate. That is, down we are connected to what? Generator. That is generator. So what is wind energy? The process of obtaining the energy from fast moving of air is called wind energy. And this speed should be 8 meter to 22 meter per second. Then that is here what is going to see, the kinetic energy will convert into mechanical energy. Again that is connected to what? Generator. So when it is connected to generator, that converts mechanical into electrical energy. In this way we are going to produce wind energy. So it has some disadvantages. Expensive process. And always wind will not flow. And third disadvantage is that can we install everywhere? No. We have to install at top of the hills or where wind will be blowing nicely. Next, geothermal energy. Same thing, children. In the interior of the earth, at Gujarat, Rajasthan, what will be present inside the earth? That is in the form of steam. There inside pipes. Then steam is going to be produced. Again, steam means that is going to produce what, children? Pressure. Means what is the meaning of geothermal energy? The energy which obtained from the earth, interior of the earth, about 6 to 10 kilometers inside of the earth. That pressure will convert into again turbines. Turbines means mechanical energy. Again that is connected to generator. Generator will convert into mechanical into electrical. Again this advantages of this energy is that it is not available at all places. Expensive process. It's not a so easy process. Last but not least, that is wave energy. The process of obtaining energy from waves of the ocean. The children, it is as if like wave, like tidal. Here, waves will be moving up and down. Turbines are going to be keep original position. It will start to rotate. Then, turbines are going to experience mechanical force that converts mechanical into electrical energy. How? Mechanical energy is connected to what? Generator. Generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. That's it. And this again, tidal energy, ocean thermal energy. So very simple. Tidal energy means tides. So waves will be forming continuously in a day, but tides or tidals will form twice in a day on account of gravitational pull of the moon and gravitational pull of the sun. Now, same thing, almost all ocean water will rise up and fall down. That is high tide, low tide. Then a series of turbines will be connected and a series of turbines are going to be rotated, then convert into mechanical energy. Again that is connected to generator. When it is connected to generator, same, mechanical into electrical energy. So this is about tidal energy. Disadvantages means it may harmful to the aquatic animals, expensive process, it needs water source. So last but not least, ocean thermal energy. Dear children, imagine this is the ocean. This is lower, this is the upper surface area, this is lower surface area. So here it will come, and at the upper surface it will be having more temperature. It is having what, children? More temperature. Here less temperature. And here I am going to keep ammonia, NH4, ammonia. So ammonia boils at low temperature. I mean, here what is ocean thermal energy means the process of getting the energy due to difference between the temperature of the ocean, that is called ocean thermal energy. So ammonia will boils. Boils means steam. Steam to pressure. Pressure is connected to turbines. Turbines are going to be rotated. Again that is connected to generator. Generator will convert mechanical into electrical energy. So this is all about we understood about, that is points in this sources of energy. Okay, I hope you understood, children. If you like, please you like it, and if you share it, and finally please subscribe and share to others to enhance their knowledge. Thank you, children.